AWS has definitely had a transformational effect on our business. It has not only enabled us as an IT department to serve our business clients better and faster than we ever have before, we've also been able to reduce our IT overhead, we've been able to reduce budgets, we've essentially transformed ourselves into a business value IT department. My name is Nicole McNeil. I'm the Chief Financial Officer and I have the accountability for IT at MPAC. MPAC, or the Municipal Property Assessment Corporation, is a Canadian public sector organization, and our mandate is to deliver a province-wide property assessment. We value over 5 million properties, worth over $2 trillion, and that generates almost $30 billion of tax revenue annually. Before moving to the cloud, our IT environment was very traditional. We had all owned resources, and it was a combination of on-premise and co-located hosting.
My name is Sujit Jagdev. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at MPAC. Many of our technical challenges at MPAC was pretty typical of a 15-year-old IT shop. We had siloed applications being built by siloed teams, which created siloed data. We had to move information from one point to another, which took time and which further frustrated our business customers.
At MPAC, back in 2013, we launched a new strategic plan. And as part of that strategic plan, we need to be more efficient and more effective. And this was one of the things that drove us to AWS. And our AWS journey really started with an experiment with a small group in IT who set up an AWS account on a purchasing card. And from there, we redesigned one platform to moving to our entire core business engine.
One of the key advantages of using AWS is definitely the VPC feature. It is by far the most important offering that we use within the AWS stack. We now have a beachhead in the cloud, and now we can transform and translate and extract data moving from our island into the cloud. Everybody thinks that as soon as you move your code base or your data into the cloud, it naturally becomes insecure. The VPC actually shuts down that conversation. It is a very secure way to actually connect your existing island into the cloud. What we've done in addition is actually also implemented a privacy by design paradigm within our software ecosystem. So within our architecture, we now pour privacy and scalability into our architecture. We're also using Amazon RDS, EC2, ECS, Amazon Code Deploy, Amazon Data Pipelines, Amazon Elastic Load Balancers. We've now embraced agile /XP as our development /testing methodology within IT, which has also increased the speed and agility when it comes to interacting with Amazon Web Services. We have now gone from actually deploying our code every 3 to 6 months to actually deploying code every 1 to 2 weeks. So now business see results far quicker, which then increases our throughput and increases IT speed and agility accordingly.
Agility and cost are both important to MPAC. Obviously, as a public sector organization, we need to ensure we always have value for money. For us, the proof of running AWS is in the results. Our core valuation engine at MPAC now runs 5,000% faster at 1/10 of the cost. And when it comes to agility, I come back to our guiding principle when we started, which was we wanted to enable the business to be able to operate without IT. And AWS has enabled that with agility.
Embracing AWS has definitely had a substantial effect on IT as well as MPAC. Now we can spin up instances at the speed of thought. We can actually become better servant leaders to our business colleagues. So with the help of AWS, we expect to actually do a lot more within this space.